Hi friends, welcome on my channel. So today I'm going to write a new program and this program will be 18. Okay. So yesterday I already uploaded the 17 program on my channel. So if you guys didn't watch yet that video, so please you can watch that video. Okay. So today I'm going to write a new program and the program name is simple interest. So that program I will write a code under the com.app package. Okay, so first I will create a new class com.app package. I will select that package name and then right click new and class. Okay, so now I will give a name class name as a interest. This is the 18 program. So I will give a 18 and I will select a main method. Then I will click on finish. So what I will do next, I will first remove the command line, and as we know, simple interest formula is simple interest formula is actual amount into rate into time, okay, divided by 100. So this is the formula of simple interest. So based on this formula I will write a code. Okay, so now I'm going to write a code. First I will write a scanner class, scanner new scanner system dot in because I want to take a input from the user. Okay, so what I will do next, I will write a text message for the user. Okay, enter actual amount, I can say principal. Okay, now what I will do next, I will take a variable that will be double type. Okay, variable if first variable is p equal to, that is a principal amount. Okay, like actual amount, scanner dot next double. Okay, now again I will write a text message, system.out.println enter or rate. Then this will be also double type. Okay, r equal to scanner dot next double, and now I will take a third variable. The third variable is uh, time, for time. Okay, so system out dot print ln enter a time, and this will be uh, integer type. Okay, so t equal to new, sorry, scanner dot next int. Now I will take a fourth variable double type. Okay, okay, so that will be simple interest. Okay, now what I will do, I will uh, I will sum, or like I'm now I'm going to apply a logic for the simple interest. Okay, so p into r into time divided by 100. Okay, now I'm going to print whatever sum will come, that I'm going to print. Okay, so interest amount is si. Then I will save this code and run. Okay, we can wait few seconds. So the program runs successfully. Okay, so they are asking about the input. Okay, so principal amount I will give a 1500. Now they are program asking about rate. So rate I will give a as a 2.5 and time I will give a 3. So you can see here interest amount is 112.5. This is the interest amount. Okay, so I will run again this code and I will give some other value. Okay, and I will show you once again. Just we can wait. And now program has been done successfully. This time I will give a actual amount with 2500 and rate I will give a 3.5 and time I will give a 8. So you can see interest amount is 700. So this is the correct output. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you guys didn't subscribe my channel, so please guys you can subscribe my channel and share in your friend circle. Thank you for watching.